This is the one. This is the one. Yeah. I love and I'd love to love ya, kiss and hug ya, twist and rub ya. This is just a offer, you don't need to take it, but I promise not to leave you naked. I see the greatest possibilities between you and I. Leaving here without you feels like suicide. You're my dream girl, but I need to wake up, cause love is dangerous for Jacob. I'm young, dumb, and girl crazy, but baby, you became my world lately, and I don't really find coincidences to be true. So how do you explain me meeting you? That's the issue, trying to battle with my heart and my mind. The truth and the confusion's what I'm starting to find, cause I ain't never been in love yet, but you're the type of girl I could fall in love with. Slide through, baby, slide through. Girl, you got me going crazy, thinking about some I do's, and I don't mean to be so frantic, just a hopeless romantic that would love to spend tonight beside you. So baby, slide through, slide through, slide through. Girl, you got me going crazy, thinking about some I do's, and I don't mean to be so frantic, just a hopeless romantic that would love to spend tonight beside you. So baby, slide through. I'm in love with the idea of being in love, that's why you never see me in clubs. I'm not attracted to a drunk dottie shaking the body, getting loaded at the bar after taking a molly. Nah, that's not love, that's not how it's supposed to be. I need somebody real to feel my Edgar Allan poetry. I thought I found it before, but I was tripping. I told a lot of girls that I loved them, but I didn't. Man, at the time I was sure, my mind immature, my intentions were pure. Way too young, too naive to try these slick moves, try to spit game, but I dry heave. Now I leave with a lesson to note. Love will come when it comes, stop stressing it, bro. But every day I keep thinking of you. I just hope that you think of me too. So baby, slide through, slide through, slide through. Girl, you got me going crazy, thinking about some I do's, and I don't mean to be so frantic, just a hopeless romantic that would love to spend tonight beside you. So baby, slide through, slide through, slide through. Girl, you got me going crazy, thinking about some I do's, and I don't mean to be so frantic, just a hopeless romantic that would love to spend tonight beside you. So baby, slide through. I carry these regrets forever like tattoos, engraved in my skin, my sins, my bad moves. I don't regret much, but what I still do are the times I hurt those who always stayed true. I was supposed to be the one you could run to, offer you shelter when the storm comes through, to protect your back, not stab it, but it slipped and it happened, and that's a dumb move that I can't undo. Oh, what I do to make this right, but that'll never happen, so I'll take this knife and take this life and take this flight, anything to escape these mistakes. I might not ever get the chance to tell you this in person, but as your back bleeds, my soul just keeps hurting. So to the one who used to call me brother, maybe one day we'll recover. Imagine that. Mistakes of your past get erased like that. The smile on his face, it'll come right back, and everything go back to how it should be. It's never that simple, I wish it could be. Imagine that. Imagine that.
Hello, lovely, I'm corruption. I just noticed that you seemed a little down. Just sign right here on this line and I can change your life.